Hey everyone, welcome back to Howtechs. Today we have an iPhone 11 Pro Max. I'm going to show you how to do a master reset. So go to Settings, which is the gear, look for General, about halfway down. Go towards the bottom and we have Reset, second from the bottom. And you have a bunch of different reset options here. Reset all settings, erase all content and settings, which is a factory reset. Reset just the network settings, the keyboards, the home screen layout, or the location and privacy data. So if you really want to wipe the phone like it's fresh from the factory, all the data is removed, do erase all contents obviously, and put in your password, confirm again. You are going to remove everything off of here. You can lose all your photos, etc. And then let it go. So keep in mind that you may also have to put your Apple ID in, just to make sure that it's really you who's doing the reset. So make sure you have that handy as well. And this takes a while, as you can see. And let's fast forward a little bit, and eventually it will erase everything and bring it back up to the same point, the same screen as when you first opened your box when you got it straight from the store. So this is basically the same as if you got it straight from the factory, just did the unboxing, powered it up for the first time. You have to start from scratch, put in your location, put in your language, put in your Wi-Fi password, Apple ID, etc. So that's basically it for resetting the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Obviously the same for basically any iOS device nowadays. Please leave a comment and see you guys next time. Bye. Card is here on the bottom right, and there's also a very small notch here on the bottom right as well. If you guys can see that. There's also